Good day, everyone. Learn how to log into Bank of America. So open your browser and type Bank of America login. Bank of America login, and you will find the best results bankofamerica.com. Please make sure you visit the banking site, and bankofamerica.com is the site where you can log in to your account. Now here it says user ID and password, and you can enter the user ID and password and then log in. You can also forgot user ID and password if you have forgotten the ID or the password. You can simply click on that and you can reset accordingly. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.